What is up, ice fishing freaks? Luke Reister here from Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors. Welcome back to another ice fishing adventure. I'm doing some jigging right now. Got the shocker out, got Tyler over there. So Tyler and I are decided to take a little adventure this morning. And we drove up north and hit up a couple lakes in the big city. Did some inner city stuff. And yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna hit up 3 different lakes in this video. I guess I'm filming this right now at the last lake that we're at, the 3rd lake. So who knows? Maybe there'll be 4. But anyways, we're gonna hit up a couple lakes in the inner city, and then we're gonna end up somewhere else. We're searching for panfish. That's all we brought was the jigging rods today. No shiners, no tip ups, no tip downs. Just some tickle sticks and some shocker ice rods. And a whole lot of Drastic Plastics. So stay tuned. Donkey hunting starts right now. She wants it. She doesn't even know it. Well, at least we got this place to ourselves. Alright folks, this is going to be interesting. No secrets today. We're spreading the word about the bone bug, I guess. Yeah, now we're talking. Oh. You whacking them? Yep. There he goes. Got him. Don't feel too bad. Not a bad one. That'll eat. Holy cow, I got one to bite. What do we got, 2 keepers now?
Yeah.
People will start crowding us.
They are too. Everybody's picking up right now.
All right, folks, so we left the crowded inner city fishing bays. We came back to this little lake. We're back at Lake Tyler, where we made a video over there on that shoreline here a few weeks ago. Ooh, I got a nice mark down there right now. I got over 10 feet of water here. I don't have enough line out. See if I can get him to come up here. Here he comes. I got him to come up. There he is. Not too bad of a gill. We'll eat him. That happened a lot faster than it did at the big city waters. There he is. Double trouble, Tyler? You hooked up too? We got ourselves a double. Yeah, I'm throwing this one back too. So am I. 20 times more fun. Got you. Ain't a bad one. Dark colored one. Huh?
Like a really blue, like gill plate to it.
Yeah, he does. It's like a sandwich. Another one down there. See if we can get his brother. Hello, brother. Oh, oh, got him. That's little sister. We didn't want her. You can go back. Ooh, clobbered it. Welcome to Clobber Town. It's got potential. Next year's model. All right, new hole. See if we can get one to come screaming up right away. Like this. Like that. Crappie! All right. It's like the Ludden Lake crappie. Get a little bigger, bud. There we go. Another crappie. Yep. There we go. Put on a bigger bait and still catch little bluegills. Ooh. Man, I barely got it down there. Crapposaurus. Oh, it's a little bit better of a crappie. I think we'll eat that guy. There's one. Another crappie. Oh man, we're on the crappies now. Throw that dude back. I found the Crapposaurus hole. I found the crap hole. Another one. Woo woo! Right in the top of the noggin. Ooh, there was no way that was coming out. I can't, it's so awkwardly hooked, I can't even get it out. There, I got it. All right, the gloves are coming off. There are more fish down there. Oh no, I lost my bait. Huh? Oh no! I broke my hook off.
You did?
Yes. Oofka. Oofka. Hit it like a sack of bricks. So the jig that I lost today, that I broke off in that crappie's face, was a 3mm Frostbite schnozberry, which I think you can still get. This one here is a delicacy. This is the Hulk, they call it, and they don't make it no more. I'm pretty sure. I never see it on their website anymore. So I'll try not to lose this one. But I caught a ton of fish on that schnozberry jig that I broke off. That's the same jig I've had tied on this rod all year and most of the season last year. There's another one. He's in the Vex, I believe. A bluegill in the Vex? No. Go on, buddy. Go home. There we go. That guy came up from the bottom. That's a good gill. Dark colored dude. He came from way down. He's like, yeah, I am taking this. There we go. Little baby crappie. Crappies definitely are over here in this corner. There's one. Another crappie. There's one. Don't feel too bad. Giddy up. It's a longer one, not real thick, but a longer one. That bluegill just swallowed my minnow colored ice fluke, so put this one on, give this one a whirl. Purple fluke. Purple fluke with a purple jig. Green eyes, the Lou Ferrigno special. There's one. Little Gillian. Giddy up. Ooh. That'll eat in my pan. Good chunk right there. All right, folks. So, wasn't too bad of a day out here at Lake Tyler for me and Tyler. I forgot to film an outro for this, so I'm doing it on our next excursion out here. Anyways, yeah, we got into some crappies over yonder. That was kind of fun. I haven't really hit the crappies very hard this year. Catch one every now and then, but haven't really got into a school of them. They weren't huge ones, but they were 9.5, 10 inchers. I think the biggest one I kept was like 10.5. But good eaters, good eater crappies, and it was just fun catching them. Caught a pile of little ones. I would say the dominant bait of the day today was the ice fluke in minnow color. That's what the crappies were liking, and they were suspended. I was catching them suspended a little bit. They were coming up and just choking it. So a lot of fun. And the big city lakes kind of sucked. I wasn't impressed with that. So I'm probably not going to be doing that much. It's only the second time I've ever hit those big city lakes, and yeah, not for me. I like these little rural stuff. Get on the backwaters and go for a walk. That's what I like to do. Anyways, if you have not yet subscribed to Too Fat to Hunt Outdoors, go ahead and do that right now. Hit the bells, get notified every time we put out a video. Clobber that thumbs up. Luke signing off. Always remember, you're never too fat to fish.